जय पीड़ पराई जाने रे राधे श्याम संकटहरण राधे श्याम वेंकटरमण राधे श्याम संकटहरण राधे राधे श्याम पंडरीनाथ राधे श्याम पांडुरंग।
निश्चल हो निर्मल मद से अंतर से मक से कृत से निश्चल हो निर्मल मद से
So our millions of students who are going to live in a very uncertain world to make this world a more peaceful and harmonious place.
రెయిన్ ప్రూఫ్ గా చేసినట్లయితే
గాంధీ గారు వెనక ఉందో చూసారా, సత్యం ధర్మం అహింస.
Action could be accomplished only through self-discipline and self-restraint. Today, especially, we live in a world where we are given to self-indulgence. The moment we see food, we want to eat it. Okay, no matter whether our body needs it or not, we want to eat it. But Gandhi was not like that. By choice, he chose to live a life